Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie if you are new around here, and I teach K through 6 music. Today we are doing another super simple song for the absolute beginner, and this one isn't going to involve F. We're bringing F in 2-finger chord, but don't worry because this has a seamless transition in this song that I know you guys are going to be able to do. We're doing Wake Me Up by Avicii. First up, let's talk about the 3 chords that are going to be in this song. So we have A minor, C, and F. And we already know A minor and C from the very first video of this series with Truth Hurts by Lizzo. If you guys did not catch that video, I will link it up here for you guys. That would be a great place to start because it is just a 2-chord song. But now we're going to be adding an F. So let's first review A minor and C. So first up, we have our A minor. Again, that is going to be your second finger up on the 4th string, string 1, 2, 3, 4. So really it's the string that's closest to your chin. You're going to be pressing down in that 2nd fret space. Next up we have C. C is going to be your 3rd finger or your ring finger on your very first string, 3rd fret space. And finally, we have our new chord that we are going to be adding in, which is F. F is going to be like A minor, but all you're simply going to do is add your 1st finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret space. All right, now that we have the chords, you guys, let's go ahead and talk about the chord progression and the strumming pattern. So the really cool thing about this song is it repeats over and over and over. So it's going to be A minor, F, and then C the entire song. So you're going to start off with your A minor and just do 2 strums down. A minor, A minor. Then you're going to keep your A minor set because when you go to F, you already have your 2nd finger into place and you're just going to place down that 1st finger too. Then you have 2 Fs. And then finally you're going to go to C, but you're going to strum C 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we put that together, here's what it's going to sound like. A minor, F, F, C, 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 C. And that's it. That is the chord progression, that is the strumming pattern for the entire thing. So now that we have the chord progression, we have the different chords that are going on and the strumming pattern, let's just put that together and try out verse 1. Ready? Here we go. Feel my way through the dark. Let's go on to the chorus. So the chorus is going to be, again, the same. I'm going to scroll down here on my little cheat sheet. And so you're going to go ahead and sing, so wake me, and then it goes to A minor. I will say, you guys, this song is definitely not in a good range for a soprano 2 person. Definitely I would add a capo if you have them. You could teach your kids, you know, how to do it. Even if you have a few capos and if they wanted to perform it or, you know, sing it in a better range, you could give out a few capos because I do think it's not in the best range for kids in general. But it's chords that we know. So let's go to the next part. So you're going to sing, so wake me, then A minor. So wake me up when it's all over. It, you guys. It's a very simple song, and again, it's very monotonous in that in that chord progression, so it's pretty easy to put together. I'm just gonna go ahead for a moment and sing it with the octave lower to see what it sounds like. There are some parts though that are too low for me, so I'd like have to pop up, and so it's a little tricky. So if you wanted to sing the chorus with an octave lower, here's what it would sound like. So wake me up when it's all over. Those few few parts that are just a little too low for me. So you guys, this will be a great one for maybe your male students, boys in general. This is going to be a great key for you. Women, maybe, you know, add on a capo or two, and it'll help you out a lot, and you can play those easier chords. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. Again, super simple. So it's pretty nice because of that A minor and that F. It's a great stepping stone into our second song and getting F under control because you're already halfway there in the beginning. So if you would like to subscribe, like this video, I would so appreciate it because it supports my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!